Here is the range of Paxton10 cameras. We have a mini bullet, a mini dome, a varifocal bullet and a varifocal dome. Each camera is supplied with a fitting kit and simple instructions. Paxton10 cameras are quick and easy to install. Simply plug into the computer network. The camera is powered using Power over Ethernet. Make a note of the camera's serial number to help identify it later on. Mount the camera to a wall or ceiling. All Paxton10 cameras are suitable for installation inside or outside. Log into the software, ensuring that you have the appropriate software permissions for commissioning new devices. Navigate to Devices and you will see the device panel. Click on Cameras. Your Paxton10 camera will appear automatically in the list. Use the serial number to identify which camera is which. Simply drag the camera across and name it. In most cases, that's all you have to do. In order to view video from your new camera, right-click and select View Video. You can create a new video report using the Add New control in the ribbon bar. A video report can contain up to 20 cameras and you can create as many reports as you like. Cameras can be rearranged in the video report by simply dragging and dropping. The camera name can be displayed by using the overlaid control. Any camera view can be enlarged by double-clicking. Alternatively, you can click the full screen icon in the overlaid controls. As people go through doors associated with the camera, their photo will be displayed in the top left corner in real time. Archive video can be accessed using the calendar control and the timeline. Green on the timeline highlights where motion has occurred and video has been recorded. At any time, you can use the Live control to revert to live view. You know when you're viewing live video, as there is a red flashing dot in the top right corner of the video. Bookmarks can be used to mark a particular bit of recorded video for future reference. Bookmarks can be added quickly and easily using the Add Bookmark control in the ribbon bar. Bookmarks can be seen on the timeline. Clicking on the bookmark shows the details and pressing the play icon will skip straight to the associated footage. You can cycle between bookmarks using the ribbon bar controls. Smart Search allows you to search for motion in a particular part of the screen. For example, if an item has gone missing from a desk, then you can highlight where it was and see when it disappeared. Use the Smart Search control to bring up the grid. Highlight the areas you're interested in, and you will see the timeline adjust instantly. The green areas show where there has been motion in the selected area. The light grey areas show you where there's been motion in other parts of the screen. If required, a list of the events associated with the cameras can be shown using the Show Events ribbon bar control. The events will be updated in real time and the window can be resized as you prefer. The Snapshot tool can be used to download still images captured from the video footage. Simply navigate to the footage you want using the timeline and press pause. Use the Snapshot button in the overlaid controls and select the desired image. In order to download a video clip, use the Export button in the overlaid controls. Select the start and end time of the video clip required and it will download. A dynamic video report can be created for any device or any person. This will show all recent video clips featuring that device or person. For example, if we right-click on a person and select View Video, all events and video clips featuring that person are shown. The same can be done for a whole group of people. Video cameras can be included in site plans. They can be positioned as required and you can visually show which way a camera is pointing. Clicking on a video camera in a site plan brings up a large live view with access to the timeline for viewing archive footage. For more information, see the site plan video. Dashboards can be created in any way you like. Video can be added to dashboards quickly and simply. Up to 16 video widgets can be added to a dashboard. Just like any other widget, the video widget can be expanded to show more details. Here we see the expanded view with access to the timeline for viewing archive footage. For more information, see the Dashboards video. In an event report, any event with associated video will be shown with a green play icon alongside. Simply click this icon to show the video. Further settings for your Paxton10 camera can be accessed by navigating to the device itself. You can select when to record video and where the video footage will be stored. By default, video is stored using the onboard memory. If required, you can save to a centralized network location. You can select the quality of recording. The default setting is medium, which records at 1080p HD. This is normally the most suitable setting. Be aware that if you select high, you will be recording at 4K ultra high definition, and so the amount of video you can retain for a given amount of memory will reduce dramatically. An online storage calculator is available. You can select the sensitivity of the motion detection and also mask out certain areas. For example, a tree waving in the breeze can be masked so that not to trigger video recording unnecessarily. For each camera, you can select the doors and other devices that are within view. This association allows for the mapping of video footage to events happening around the building. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, have a look at some of our other videos.